Happy Monday, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We are going to go over our cow chart. Okay, these are all the things that some of you knew about cows. I didn't get everybody because not everybody participated, but I got a lot of our friends. I think about 10 or 11 of us did this, okay? So I wanted to share it with you. And then we will read a cow book and see if we can learn more about cows, okay? So here we go. This is my cow chart right here. And cows say moo. They do, don't they? They drink water, they eat grass, they eat hay. They do eat grass and hay, and they do drink water, don't they? Okay, they make milk. Milk comes from their udders. Cows can be white and black, brown, black, brown, and white. Also, someone said, and I don't think I put that on there, and I've got a green marker, so it's not going to show up, but they said that cows have spots, and that's right. Some cows have spots too. Okay, cows are a farm animal. They go to sleep at night, and you know what? My stepdad has a farm, and I've seen cows even asleep during the day. So it's not even just at night. I've seen them sleeping during the day as well. Okay, and cows are big, and people sell the cow's milk. They sure do, don't they? That's how we get our milk. We can get it at the grocery store. Sometimes we can get it at a farmer's market. Well, maybe not a farmer's market. I don't know. Mrs. Hensley doesn't go to farmer's markets very often. But there's lots of different places. Even Target and Walmart have milk now. So 7-Elevens have milk, Dollar General. A lot of places have milk you can buy milk from, but sometimes you can get them from a farmer too. Okay, they have spots. Oh, there it is. They have spots. They have a mouth, a nose, eyes, hair. They have 4 feet, and they have a tail. Bulls have horns. That's right. They can be cleaned. Claws can get dirty. They live on a farm. Female cows are different than male cows. Remember, female cows are girls and male cows are boys. Okay? People drink their milk and people eat their meat. And they process the meat, and that's where we get our hamburger meat from. And steaks from a cow. Roast. There's all kinds of different things. It's called beef. And Mrs. Hensley's stepdad also raises cows, and that's where I get my meat from. Okay, we always buy a quarter of a cow from them. Okay, so now we're going to read a book on cows. Okay, Cows by Sherry Doyle. Let's see if we can learn some more about cows, okay? Cows, there's our title page. Okay. Oh, table of contents again. Remember, Mrs. Hensley said the table of contents tells you what's in the book and what page to go to if you want to read about just that. So if we wanted to just meet the cows, we would go to page 4. If we wanted to know about them grazing days, we would go to page 10. New life, page 14. On the farm, page 16. Okay, so that's a table of contents. It tells us where different things in the book are. Okay, meet the cows. You know what? I'm going to do it this way so you can see the whole picture, because this just has the words on it, right? Meet the cows. Moo! It's early morning on the farm. Here come some spotted cows. They walk on hooves and sway their tails. So they're walking on their hooves and they're swaying their tails back and forth, back and forth. I'll show you part of it. Okay, let's see here. Cows have wide muzzles and big ears. Cows have short or long hair that is black, white, brown, red, or gray. We didn't think of red or gray, did we? Some cows are spotted. Okay, this one I can do that with. One dairy cow weighs about 1,500 pounds, which is also 608 kilograms. 1,500 pounds is a lot. That's 1,500. That's a lot. Listen to this. 1,500 pounds or 1,500. That's as heavy as 2 motorcycles. 2 motorcycles. Think about how heavy one motorcycle is. Cows are about as heavy as 2 motorcycles. That's heavy, isn't it? Okay, grazing days. Cows eat grass, hay, and grain. Cows burp up their swallowed food as cud. Cows chew cud for 8 hours a day. Oh, that's kind of gross, isn't it? If you think about it, they're burping up their swallowed food. Ugh, that's gross. A cow drinks 30 gallons or 114 liters of water each day. You think about a gallon of milk, okay? Think about what size a gallon of milk is. A cow drinks 30 of those in water. 30 gallons of water a day. Okay? That's enough to fill a bathtub. Cows drink from ponds, streams, or tanks. Enough to fill a bathtub. That's how much they drink every day. New life. A cow is born. It stands within 30 minutes. Ooh, it's born and then it stands within 30 minutes. It's an adult after 1 year. Cows can live for 15 to 20 years. Wow, so they're an adult cow when they're 1 year old. We're not an adult when we're 1 year old, are we? Nope, we're sure not. On the farm, cows raised for their milk are called dairy cows. They are milked in a milking parlor. Machines pump milk from the cow's udders. And it's showing their udder right here. Okay, that's a machine doing it. Beef cows are raised for meat. Their hides are used to make shoes, baseball gloves, and many other products. Oh, this cow's sleeping. He's cute. Cows might sleep in barns when it's very cold, hot, or stormy. They snooze in grassy areas called pastures the rest of the time. Okay, here's our glossary, and it tells us what those things that we were talking about were. So cud, swallowed food that is burped back into a cow's mouth and chewed again. Dairy cow, a female cow that produces milk. So we talked about how someone said female cows are different than male cows. Female cows produce milk. Male cows do not. Okay? Grain, plant seeds such as barley, corn, oats, and wheat. Graze, when they're grazing, that means to eat grass. Hay is dried grass used to feed cows. Hoof, a cow's foot. More than one hoof is called hooves. Muzzle, the nose, mouth, and lower part of a cow's face. You might hear somebody say something about a dog's muzzle, okay? Pasture, a grassy area of land that cows and other animals feed upon. And udder, the body part that fills with milk and hangs under a cow. So that's the glossary. Okay, friends. That was cows, okay? Now, you are going to tell me what you know, anything and everything you know about horses. I can't wait to see what you know about horses, okay? So you tell me what you know about horses, and then tomorrow we'll reveal our results on our horses chart, and then you'll find out another farm animal that you need to brainstorm in your head. So put on your thinking caps and think really hard about, what do I know about horses? Okay, and then click the add response button and use the microphone to tell me what you know about horses. Can't wait to hear. Maybe I'll learn something from you guys. Mrs. Hensley's ridden a horse before, and it hurt because he bucked me off and I fell to the ground, and I will never ride a horse again. But you guys tell me everything you know about horses, and I can't wait to hear. Have a good rest of your day, because this is the end of your assignments today. I will talk to you bright and early tomorrow morning, okay? Have a good day, friends. Bye-bye.